Starting around 31 October 2023, Algorand certainly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.7% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very huge. Algo sort of has a really complete market cap of $855,172,661, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $64,218,247 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes Algorand, Algo, lovely positioning at 50 in the cryptographic money market, or so they explicitly thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand truly be for the most part worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand a genuinely wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will Algo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they certainly thought? These certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unpretentious manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo cost really is supposed to in a real sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of 12 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be 12 cents, or so they truly thought. Besides, Algo can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 13 cents in a by and large significant manner. Algorand value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Algorand could truly stretch around 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 truly is 10 cents, with a genuinely normal cost of 11 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of 11 cents, exceptionally further appearance how starting around 31 October 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.7% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost can really arrive at a by and large limit of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to for the most part be at around a genuinely least of 11 cents in every way that really matters, further appearance how in addition Algo can arrive at a truly greatest value level of 13 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of 12 cents, with the typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand essentially is especially anticipated to reach at a by and large least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, showing how Algorand value forecast November 2023. The cost of Algorand for the most part is anticipated to fundamentally reach at a very least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, or so they especially thought. The Algo cost could basically arrive at a really greatest worth of 13 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, genuinely further appearance how these in a real sense are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is explicitly anticipated to sort of arrive at a typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 13 cents and a sort of least of 12 cents, which generally is very critical. Algorand especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost especially has shown a great increment of 1.69% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. From by and large most recent 7 days the Algo in every way that really matters was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.59%, which basically is genuinely huge. Algorand really has shown extremely serious areas of strength of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo truly diminished by 54.181%, wiping out an incredible pretty normal amount of 13 cents from its really current worth, So moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 sort of is 10 cents, with an in every practical sense, normal cost of 11 cents in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a generally excellent basically purchase a valuable open door for kind of speedy speculation, which in every practical sense is very huge. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 55.85%, and the cost truly coursed from a kind of least truly normal cost of 23 cents to by and large most extreme fundamentally normal cost of 25 cents in the in every practical sense recent days in an unobtrusive way. Algorand explicitly is somewhere near 42.30% with the in every practical sense, most extreme especially normal cost of the coin sort of was around 17 cents, and the genuinely least lovely typical cost of in a real sense was around 16 cents in certainly beyond 4 months, showing how especially is Algorand a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an in every way that really matters. Significant way. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Algorand really worth in 2023, or so they especially thought. The algo cost truly is determined to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 13 cents, with sort of least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, by and large further appearance, how the algo value sort of is estimated to sort of arrive at an especially greatest degree of 13 cents, with pretty least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in an unpretentious manner. Does Algorand essentially have a future, which explicitly is genuinely critical? As far as value, Algorand generally has an exceptional certainly potential to generally arrive at new levels, so Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand truly is supposed to really be at around an extremely least of 11 cents. Especially further appearance how besides Algo can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 13 cents in a kind of huge manner. It by and large is gauge that Algo will increment in esteem, which fundamentally shows that the 90 days cost change especially is near 55.85%, and the cost especially circled from a very least especially normal cost of 23 cents to especially greatest exceptionally normal cost of 25 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense is very critical. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can generally stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of $3.93 till 2030, showing how Algorand value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the truly greatest cost for Algorand could stretch around 11 cents, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Algorand worth purchasing in 2023, which really is genuinely huge? Algorand's worth fundamentally is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as deficiency will in generally empower cost rise.